started just painting on the eggs kasi I was bored one evening. Tapos yun, my mom took photos, she showed her friends, and that's how the business started. Ever since then, never na kami nawala ng orders, praise God. I also paint on bags. I painted bags for me and my mom. And then yun, when our friends saw it, biglang nag-order na rin sila. And so unintentional business na naman. Accessories naman. So I'm still doing the things that I love in his time.
The revenue model is still more from the Ostrich Eggs or the...
More from the Ostrich Eggs.
Okay.
So this is something that I do on the side lang, but because I love it. Like, I love it when people wear my creations. I love it when they enjoy, using my earrings. It gives me joy. That's why I do it.
Denise Cacanando started her business without knowing what she wanted to do yet, but she still pursued it. That's why you don't get scared about failing. She said she was scared about failing, pero the thing about that is she still tried it. So you just keep on trying, just keep on doing. Wow, dumidilim na, hindi na ako kita. Just keep on doing, hindi na ako kita. Wow, pinagtawanan mo pa ako. Wow, grabe ka. Wow, siya pa unang tumawa sa akin. But you don't get, wow, wow. Sige, labas mo lahat yan. Okay, go. Sige.
Okay na.
You're okay.
Please subscribe to Marvin Gurma's channel.
And
Hit the bell.
hit the bell, smash it. Please subscribe, guys. So enjoy the rest of the video. Sina-ambush ko ngayon si Denise Cacanando. This is
my
an
gosh.
ambush video.
Hello.
Denise. Okay,
Hindi ako ready.
what's the update on your business now? Go.
It's good.
Talaga?
Ano bang update?
Oh, what's happening?
Still the same.
From the last, we did a video on Icon, you were doing Ostrich Eggs. That was 2 years ago already. Ano na?
2 years na ba yun?
2 years ago, 2017 yun
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
really?
Or 2018, 1 year ago. What happened?
Can't remember. Still the same. Business is good.
Okay.
Still painting on Ostrich Eggs.
What's your tip for people who want to pursue their passion and their dreams also?
Tip for people who want to pursue their passion? Well, ganito kasing story ko. I wanted to pursue my passion, which akala ko passion ko talaga was fashion design. Pero I realized that God gives us mga talents.
Okay.
And what He actually gave me was creativity. So, it's not necessarily just pursuing what your passion is, but pursuing what you have.
Okay.
Like, He already gives you things na nandyan na sa'yo, whether it's material or opportunities na you have to see first kung ano yung binigay sa'yo ni God
Okay.
And you pursue based on that. Kasi when you pursue based on passion fades. So like now today, I'm grateful that I didn't pursue fashion anymore kasi I realized it's not bagay sa personality ko. So
Okay.
yun,
So
look at what you have.
how did you end up with that? Paano that's still creative? What you're doing right now, selling Ostrich Eggs, that's not just creative. No one does it eh. Parang may kalaban ka ba? Meron wala?
Meron
ba?
konti, but not
Tamo,
so many
that's
here.
how good you are. We don't even know that you have competition. That's how we know a brand is very, very strong, that even if they have competition, you don't know who the competition is. Now, so how do you know that, how did you go into this industry as well? Diba?
Unintentional siya.
Okay.
A friend just gave me a few ostrich eggs.
Okay.
And then I started painting on them. My mom took photos. She
Okay.
showed her friends and that's how the business started. Talagang
Okay.
unintentional.
Bye everyone! Bye everyone! You're going na. Bye-bye! 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 Oh, sige. You're going na. Sige, you're going na. Sayang.
Oh. Sabi tayo sumakay.
Sumakay.
Let's walk there first. Bye! Bye!
Saan ka na ano? Bye, Javi, guys. Ano yan? Pag nag-IPO airspeed, sundan nyo siya. Super. What's your tip for airspeed?
What tip? Follow your heart.
Yun. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's go back to what were you saying? Go.
What was I saying? Ano yung sinasabi ko?
Oh, sige. Hindi, yun. You said it was an accident lang.
Yeah, accident lang. Parang I started just painting on the eggs kasi I was bored one evening. Tapos yun, my mom took photos, she showed her friends, and that's how the business started. Ever since then, never na kami nawala ng orders, praise God.
Talaga?
Pero like today, I'm doing jewelry, recycled jewelry
Okay.
from Coke bottles. And it was an unintentional venture then. Bye, Ninang! Bye, Ninang!
Bye-bye, idols! Hindi, actually iba yata pinaradahan namin. Pero okay lang. I'm gonna get coffee lang din naman, so it's fine.
Okay, so anyway, I have no idea.
Hindi, sige, we'll end it na lang. Okay, final words.
No, anyway, here's the thing. Now I'm doing upcycle jewelry then. And what I realize is that eventually God also gives you something similar to what you really desire. And so today, even if I did not get to pursue fashion design, He gave me accessories naman. So I'm still doing the things that I love in His time.
Pero what's your, the revenue model is still more from the Ostrich Eggs or the...
More from the Ostrich Eggs.
Okay.
So, this is something that I do on the side lang, but because I love it. Like, I love it when people wear my creations. I love it when they enjoy, using my earrings. It gives me joy. That's why I do it.
You said it was an accident. Why was it an accident?
Accident because I started just doing it for myself. I made earrings for myself. I also paint on bags. I painted bags for me and my mom. And then yun, when our friends saw it, biglang nag-order na rin sila, and so unintentional business na naman. So
Talaga?
ganon, puro ganon yung aking story, Mark.
But do you still do bags now? No more?
I'm kind of busy, but I still do it.
How many ostrich eggs do you paint in a day?
In a day, no. In a month, siguro max 3.
So wow.
Yeah,
So it's not
max 3 or
it's not as easy rin pala to make
No,
one.
no. It takes a long time.
Because
Because of the details
Okay.
and all.
Wow.
Yeah. Kasi maano ako eh.
Ano yung
madetalye ako.
ano yung hardest part to get into this? If I'm someone I don't know a business to start yet, what's your tip for them? How can they know something na magaling sila mag-painting, may alam sila. Pero ano pwede nilang gawin?
Well, you just do like how do they get into art?
Or get into business?
Get into business. Yeah,
Like you, parang what I wanted to ask was, syempre when you started this, wala ka pa naman idea ano gusto mong gawin eh.
Yeah.
Parang for people who have no idea what they're supposed to do, what can you tell them?
just look at what you have na and then use that to create something or to do something, or parang even if it's a skill, you just be excellent at what you do. And I think, Marv, when people see excellence in whatever field, they will recognize that, and people naman are willing to pay for excellent work. So eventually, even if it's not your intention talaga to make it into a business, then it's a natural course eh. Mangyayari at mangyayari yun. When you're excellent at something, mangyayari at mangyayari.
Are you scared to fail? What if the
Yes,
business closes
definitely.
down? Talaga?
I always am. But then I realized na there are ups and downs. You know, you make mistakes, but you just get back up. And that's part of life. We learn from it. It's not you failing. It's just you realizing where you're weak at and where you have to improve pa. So
Galing.
that's don't think of it as failure. But that's something that I have to tell myself all the time.
Okay, so everyone's going home na. I'll just put a link below if you want to order, you can just grab a copy.
Okay,
I'll put the link below for Ovanis. Okay.
Thanks,
So,
Mark. Thanks, Mark, for
Thank you,
ambushing
everyone.
me.
Ano naman, ambush.
Hindi po ako ready. Sorry.
Ako rin, ako rin.
I'm stuttering.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. So, no, you're not part of the video, but I'll just end this. Do you want to be part of the video? No. Okay, I'll just get coffee before. Let's just walk and get coffee. But anyways, there's okay lang. I can get Starbucks. Plug in for Starbucks. So that's what it was. We can pass here, no? Denise Cacanando started her business without knowing what she wanted to do yet, but she still pursued it. That's why you don't get scared about failing. She said she was scared about failing, pero the thing about that is she still tried it. So you just keep on trying, just keep on doing. Wow, dumidilim na, hindi na ako kita. Just keep on doing, hindi na ako kita. Wow, pinagtawanan mo pa ako. Wow, grabe ka. Wow, siya pa unang tumawa sa akin. But you don't get, wow, wow. Sige, labas mo lahat yan. Okay, go. Sige.
Okay na.
You're okay na? Sure? Okay na talaga, wala na lahat ng pagtawa mo. So, guys, may pagka-racist yung wife ko. Matagal niya rin nilait na dahil may team ako. Kaya nga, hindi ko nga alam kung tutuloy ko tong vlog na to eh. Na, ano eh. Kasi, ewan ko. So, are you done? Okay. So, key thing I want to tell you is that, even though failure is a possibility, that's why you hustle so hard, you work hard, that even though you could actually fail, but that's where you have the ability to create it and have the ability also to shift and do things that are above and beyond that. A lot of businesses at the start fail, and my technique always is I just keep on trying. So you should never be scared of failing, even though failing is a probability, but just keep on trying, because as you keep on trying, eventually there will be one thing that you will be good at, and that one thing that you're good at will actually make money for you as well. So if you fail in some businesses, that does not also mean that you are a failure. You fail on certain businesses, that does not mean also that you won't be better in anything else. It allows you that if you fail in certain areas, use that learning so that you can innovate, and so that you can do better, and so that you can become better also in whatever industry you want to do. Similar to what I mentioned about Denise, look at what she did. Number one, she just doubled down on what she was really good at. She stumbled into the business that she wanted to get into. It was not something that was intentional, but if you notice it also, it's skills that will give you money, that will help make you money in business. That's why you need to focus on your skills, because it's the skills that you have already. That's what's going to add value to the marketplace. And if there's one thing I know about business, earning from the marketplace is based on the amount of value that you put. The more value that you put, the more earnings you will get as well. So don't focus on getting rich. Don't focus on making money. Focus on your skill set that will add so much value to the marketplace as well. So I hope you enjoyed her video. I hope you learned a lot from her. And I hope that this video, though very short, helped you and give you the confidence to be able to trade the markets or learn and do business wherever you are in life. So this is Marvin Germong. I'm already back in Manila. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.